6 a.m. all the way up to 9 p.m. for your shot to score some cash every hour on the hour. $1,000 in your pocket just by sending a text. That's pretty great. Need more info? You can head on over to WHEB.com.
Proof that people really do win $1,000. Listen to this.
This is Scott right now. I've never won this. It's awesome. It's one of those things where you put in for the heck of it and hope for the best. Hi, this is Mike, and I just won $1,000 just for listening to iHeartRadio.
Win $1,000 every hour with iHeartRadio's Double Pay Workday. Work once, get paid twice. Weekdays between 6 a.m. and 9 p.m. on the Rock Station 100.3 WHEB.
Your skin does a lot for you. It endures cold and sun and nights when you sleep with your makeup on. Tell her you love it back during the Love Your Skin event at Ulta Beauty with brands like Philosophy, Dermalogica, and Clinique. All 50% off with daily beauty steals. Plus, licensed skin experts will give your skin the love it deserves with customized facial treatments that fit your needs and goals. Hurry in now through January 26th for a gift with purchase from brands like Mario Badescu, Peter Thomas Roth, and Murad. Ulta Beauty, the possibilities are beautiful.
Stop by Lowe's today to save during our Refresh for Less kitchen and bath event. Save up to 40% on select vanities and up to 35% on select bath faucets. Whether you're looking for a few quick and easy updates or going for a new look, you'll find what you need to refresh for less. All projects have a starting point. Start with Lowe's. Offers valid through March 1st. Exclusions apply. See store for details. U.S. only.
Subway ad for our all-new Ultimate Cheesy Garlic Bread. How would you like it?
I'll take the Ultimate Bromance.
Extra broy?
Yeah, definitely. Bro, this Ultimate Spicy Italian made with Ultimate Cheesy Garlic Bread?
I know, bro.
So much melted mozzarella.
And this garlic butter spread, I can't take it, bro.
You know what this calls for?
Bro hug?
It's like we share the same brain, bro.
Bring it in.
Subway, make it what you want. Limited time only at participating restaurants.
The unemployment rate is at a 48-year low. Most people that want to work are working. If you're trying to fill open positions at your business, you'll have to find your next candidate from the currently employed. IR Media can help you spread the word to 93% of the U.S. population. That's right, 93%. Use this radio station to find your next employee driving to or sitting at their current job. You'll have your pick of the most qualified candidates for any position that you have available. We can help. Get to iHeartWorks.com. That's iHeartWorks.com.
Get 0% financing for a year and big savings during the big game sale at State Street Discount, Route 1 in Portsmouth. Get a GE front-load Energy Star washer or electric dryer on sale for $6.99 each, or save $600 on a pair. A GE 30-inch freestanding electric self-clean range is just $429, save $100. And a Maytag stainless steel tub dishwasher is only $549, save $200. Enjoy 0% financing for a year and big savings during the big game sale at State Street Discount. All you want.
Indeed, used by over 3 million businesses for hiring, where business owners and HR professionals can post job openings with screener questions, then sort, review, and communicate with candidates from an online dashboard. Learn more at Indeed.com/hire.
Year after year, Mark Motors Nissan in Sanford outsells dealers all over New England. Mark, you're selling more cars than any Nissan dealer in Maine. Dealers in New Hampshire, even big dealers in the Boston area. Yup, once again, we are Maine's #1 auto Nissan dealer. Nobody can beat our low Sanford prices. We sell more cars because we sell them for less. We've checked the internet, we've called Nissan dealers all over New England, and prices at Mark Motors Nissan in Sanford beat them all. In fact, this looks like factory direct pricing. Some of these new Nissans are up to $16,000 off. Because of our #1 status, the factory keeps sending us brand new Nissans with factory direct pricing you won't find anywhere else. Plus, you get our risk-free 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty included. The #1 Nissan dealer in Maine is Mark Motors Nissan in Sanford. And get started at markmotors.com. And remember, if my name's not on your car, you'll pay